Everyone, today in this video I will show you how you can back up your apps, games, picture, videos and everything you would like. So if you're new to my channel, then I suggest you subscribe my channel because this kind of videos I daily upload. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to install the root. I also giving you the root files zip file in the description because you can download easily. You have to just click on the zip file and you have to just flash the file. After that, the super user will install in your mobile just like that. Just one minute, I can show you. You can see this is super user file of the root file, and the app name is Titanium Backup. This app provide you to backup and restore your important apps. If you like to change the, as you can see this, if you like to change the ROMs, just you have to backup your first of all you have to backup your apps you would like, just like that. One minute, I will show you. Just like if you want to backup the Chrome, just you have to click on the backup button and you are good to go. And after installing the new GSI Rom, now you have to again install the Titanium Backup, and then just you have to click on the restore button and you are good to go. So this is the very simple step to install the backup your apps and restore your apps in new GSI Rom. And as you can see this, if you want to restore if you want to backup the Google Drive, just you have to click on the backup button. As you can see this, the backup your backup is generate that the Titanium Backup app. This will take some time according to the app's size. So after installing the new GSI Rom, just you have to install the Titanium Backup app. As you can see, the Titanium Backup is complete. And after installing the new GSI Rom, just have to install the Titanium Backup again, and just you have to click on the restore app, and your app will restore successfully in your mobile. So this is the short review of this app. So I hope you like my video, and if new to my channel, then I suggest you subscribe my channel because this kind of video I daily upload. And I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.